चलो, now example number 19. The monthly pocket money of Ravi and Sanjeev are in the ratio 5:7 and their expenditure are in the ratio are in the ratio 3:5. If each saves ₹80 every month, then find the monthly pocket money of each. Find monthly pocket money of each, यानी both. So let monthly pocket money of Ravi is 5x rupees and Sanjeev is 7x rupees. Let monthly pocket money of Ravi be 5x rupees and monthly pocket money of Sanjeev be 7x rupees. Okay, and their expenditure are in the ratio 3:5. Once we used x variable in first ratio, so in second ratio we cannot use x further. So now we will use y, and monthly expenditure of Ravi is 3y rupees. Why 3y? We cannot use x second time in the same question because we have used x in the first ratio. So in the second ratio, expenditure ratio is 3:5. Then the expenditure of Ravi is 3y and Sanjeev is 5y. Okay, and monthly expenditure of Sanjeev is 5y rupees. Now monthly pocket money of Ravi is 5x. Out of 5x, Ravi spent 3y rupees. Now pocket money minus spending and the remaining is saving. So from 1, 5x minus 3y and both saves rupees 80. Both saves rupees 80. And 7x minus 5y is also 80. Now multiply equation number 3 and equation number 2 with 5 to make coefficient of y equal. 5 3s are 15x, 3 3s are 9y, 8 3s are 24. Multiply equation number 1 with 3 and equation number 2 with 5 and eliminate. 7 5s are 35x minus, oh sorry, आने 5 थी और आने 3 थी. 5 3s are 3 5s are 5 5s are 25x, 5 3s are 15y, 8 5s are 40, 7 3s are 21x, 5 3s are 15y, 240. This minus plus and minus. 25 minus 24 is 21 is 4x and 0. 10 minus 4 is 6 and 160. So x is 160 by 4. So x is 4 4s are 16, x is 40. Only in the question monthly pocket money is asked. And in the monthly pocket money only x is required. So monthly pocket money of each any both. Ravi's monthly pocket money is 5 into 40, any 200, and Sanjeev's monthly pocket money is 280 rupees. Okay. Now example number 20. The work done by x minus 3 man in 2x plus 1 days, and work done by 2x plus 1 man in x plus 4 days are in ratio 3:10 and find x. Okay, work done by x minus 3 man in 2x plus 1 days, यानी total work done by x minus 3 man in total 2x plus 1 days, that is the total work done. So total work done by x minus 3 man in 2x plus 1 days equal to x minus 3 and 2x plus 1, and same as total work done by 2x plus 1 man in x plus 4 days equal to 2x plus 1 and x plus 4. But total work done, the work done are in the ratio 3:10. So x minus 3 and 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 and x plus 4 are in the ratio 3:10. 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, the same term, मतलब same factor is cancelled. So 10x minus 30 cross multiplication is 3x plus 4 3s are 12x. 10x minus 3x is 7x, is 30 plus 12 is 42. So x is 42 by 7. 7 6 are. So x is 6. That is your question. Find x. Now important sums 21 and 22, 23. 21 number. In a mixture of 63 liter, the ratio of milk and water is 5:2. Okay, how much water must be added? How much water must be added to this mixture to make the ratio 3:2? Okay, a mixture of 63 liter, the first box, look at here, total mixture of 63 liter, mixture of milk and water. In a mixture of 63 liter, the ratio of milk and water is 5:2. Let milk is x liter, the water is 63 minus x liter, because the total mixture of water and milk is 63 liter. And it is said that the ratio of milk is to water is 5:2. It is given milk is to water is 5:2 initially. So 2x is equal to 63 into 5. 315 minus 5x. So 7x is equal to 315. So x is equal to 315 by 7. So x is 45 liter initially. And what was 45? Milk was 45. The milk now, milk and water. Initially 45 liter, x is 45, and 63 minus 45, 10 minus 5 is 8, is 18 liter. Okay, 18 liter is water. But now how much water must be added? Let X liter water, only water, not milk, X liter water is added. So now the water become X plus 18. Initially it was 45 and 18. But now 45 and 18, but the water is added, let X liter is added. To make the ratio of milk is to water, 45 upon 18 plus X is actually આપણે પહેલા X લઈ લીધું તો અહીંયા Y લઈશું, Y liter water, Y, so 18 plus Y, and the ratio become 3/2. 45 2s are 90, 54 plus Y. So 90 minus 54 equal to Y. કેટલું બધું? 18 plus Y is 3:2. अरे and 3y, यहाँ 3y आवे ना, 45 2s are 90, 18 3s are 54 plus 3y. 90 minus 54 equal to 3y. 9 minus 4 is 6, 8 minus 5 is 36 is equal to 3y. So y is equal to 12 liter extra water is added to change the ratio. This now the 3-part, initially 5-part milk and 2-part water was there, but after adding water, 3-part milk and 2-part water. Change the ratio, 12 liter. Okay. Example number 22. The ratio of male and female same as milk જેવો છે. The ratio of male and female in a committee of 48 members. In a committee of 40 members is 3:1. Any total committee member is 48, in which the male and female ratio is 3:1. How many more ladies? How much more water? How many more ladies be added to the committee so that ratio become 9:5. Okay. Now initially તમારે statement લખવાનું, let initially હવે x પણ લઈ શકો તમે. Let total 48 છે, let the number of male is 3x and number of female is x initially. और आप ऑक्सी પણ બનાવી શકો, આ થોડી અલગ મેથડ છે સ્ટાર્ટિંગ કરતા. initially number of male equal to 3x and number of female equal to x. So x plus 4x, that is the total committee member, and that is 48. So 3x plus x is 4x is equal to 48. So x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12. So now the box is, so male, number of male is equal to 3x equal to 3 into 12. Yani 36 male were there initially, and number of female is equal to x, that is 12 female. Now how many more ladies be added? Let why more ladies are added. So 36 male is to female. Male is to female ratio is x upon 12 plus y, because 36, male were 36 and female were 12, but more y female is added and the new ratio is 9 upon 5. Okay, समझ में आयो? 36 into 5, 180, 12 nines are 108 plus 9y. So 180 minus 108 is equal to 9y. 108, 10 minus 8 is 2. 72 is equal to 9y. So 9y is equal to 72. So y is equal to 72 by 8 more ladies is added to make the ratio 9:5. Okay. An employer reduces the number of employees in the ratio 10:7 and increases the wages in the ratio 14:15. In what ratio? The wage will increase or decrease. Increase or decrease. Now what the question tell us? An employer मतलब मालिक reduces the number of employees मतलब worker. Employer reduces the number of worker in the ratio 10:7. Now initially 10 parts of the worker were present in the factory. Now only 7 part of the worker is present. In short, the number of workers decreases from 10 to 7 in the ratio. And the decreased worker salary increases, and that increase the wages in the ratio 14:15. Initially, where the 10 parts of the worker were present at that time, 14 part of the salary were given. But now the reduced worker means lesser number of the worker are available, so they have to do much more work. So their salary increased from 14 to 15. So finally, employer gain or loss in this whole transaction. Yani number of worker decreases and the remaining worker salary increases, right? So let initially number of workers were 10x, but now number of workers 7x. Okay, initially number of workers 10x, but now reduced workers are 7x. Initially, each worker's salary or wages were 14y once we had used x. So in the same sum, in the different ratios, we cannot use x again. So in the second ratio, use y. And now each worker wages be 15y. So total wages, any total pagar from the employer has to pay. Any total wages initially given by employer is equal to एक worker. The number of worker is 10x and each worker salary is 14y. So that's all. Total salary was given by the employer is 140xy, and same as now total salary or total wages given by employer is equal to 15 sevens are 105xy, and obviously number of worker decreases but per worker salary increases, because for saving of money initially 140xy and now 105xy, so the ratio of wages decreased by 140xy upon 105xy, xy cancel, 7 twos are 7 ones are 7 fives are 5 fours are 5 threes are. So as total salary, total wages decreased in 4:3 ratio. In पहला 3-4 part as a salary आपको तो हमें 3 parts आता है. Okay. Now compare the ratio. It's very easy. It's about 5th standard. 4 is to 7, and 5 is to 9. Compare means which ratio is greater and which is smaller. Now 4 upon 7 and 5 upon 9. 9 fours are 36. 7 5s are 35. Obviously 36 is greater than 35, so 4 upon 7 is greater. Then we have to show method. So 4 upon 7 into 9, 7 and 9 LCM, and 5 upon 9 into 7, 63 is LCM. 36 upon 63, 35 upon 63. And denominator same, so the numerator is greater, so 4 upon 7 is greater. Okay. Arrange the following ratio in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller and bigger and bigger and biggest. 7 is to 10, यानी वो डायरेक्ट रखो. 7 upon 10, 11 upon 15, 13 upon 20, and 17 upon 25. For that, we have to take LCM of 10, 15, 20, and 25. So LCM of 10, 15, 20 and 25 is 300. I think, yes, it's 300. So 7 upon 10 into 30, 210 upon 300. Now 11 upon 15, 31 are 20, 15 twos are 30, 300 is LCM, is 220. 13 upon 20, into 30. Sorry, 3 only. 30. Oh, sorry. 2 is 15. 15. Oh no. So 13 into 15. 13 into 15 is 195 upon 300. 17 upon 25. 25 कितना सा 300 है 12 सा. हाँ 12 सा. 17 into 12 is 204 upon 300. Now arrange in ascending order. Lowest is 195, then 204, then 210 and 220. So ascending order ratios are 13 is to 20, then 17 is to 25. Make step कब चाहिए जो पहले आ लखवानो पची रेशियो लखवानो. Third is 7 is to 10 and the biggest is 11 is to 15. Is ascending order. Arrange the ratio. Now some sums from the exercise. number. If 5100 rupees be divided among A, B, C such that A gets 2/3 of what B gets and B gets 1/4 of what C gets. Find the respective shares. Okay. Then the Southi lowest C. Let C gets X rupees. Now B gets 1/4 of what she gets, yani X upon 4. Now A gets 2/3 of what B gets. Got it? So X by 6. Let C get X rupees, B get X by 4 and A get X by 6. But the sum is 5100. So X plus 4 plus X upon 6 is 5100. X plus X by 4 plus X by 6 is 5146. Any 12 is LCM. 4 3s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Any total 12 LCM. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17X is 5100. So X is 5100 into 12 by 17. So X is 3600 rupees. Now A, C get 3600 by 4, 900 rupees and 3600 upon 6 yani 600 rupees. Yani C get 3600, B gets 900 and A gets 600 rupees. Okay. Number 30. Reena reduces weight in the ratio 5:4. What is her weight now? What is her weight now? If originally it was, and she was 70 kg. Any weight was, it was means weight was 70 kg. Rina reduces her weight in the ratio 5:4 part. And initially her weight was 5 part, but now after reducing her weight is 4 part. So originally Rina's weight was 5x kg, but now after reducing her weight is 4x kg. Got it? What is her weight now? Now, if originally she was 70 kg, hence originally 5x kg is equal to 70. So 70 upon 5. So x is 14. So now what is her weight now? Her weight is 4x, यानी 4 into 14, यानी 56 kg. Okay, initially she was 70 kg, but after reducing her weight is 56 kg. Number. In an examination is very important. In an examination, the ratio of passes to fail is 4:1. Had 30 less appeared, and 20 less pass, then the ratio of passes to fail is 5:1. Then you have to find how many students appeared for examination originally. How many students appeared in an examination? Okay. In an examination, the ratio of passes to fail is 4:1. Let number of pass student is 4x and number of fail student is equal to x. Okay. Had 30 less appeared, means 30 students never go to give examination. In total number of students, 30 less appeared. So initially what happened? Initially pass is to fail is 4x and x, but the total student is 5x. But if 30 less appeared, yani initially 5x student were enrolled for the examination, but now 30 student is less appeared. Yani total number of the student who give exam was 30 less as compared to initial situation. Now pass and fail. Had 30 less appeared and 20 less pass. So 20 less pass. Initially x pass. 4x minus 20. Initially 4x student pass, but now 4x minus 20. 30 less appeared and 20 less pass as compared to initial situation. Now pass is to fail ratio, but I have only pass, not fail. So total number of the students is 5x minus 30. Out of pass student are 4x minus 20. So fail students are 5x minus 30, 4x minus 20. So 5x minus 30 minus 4x plus 20. So x minus 10 are the number of failed student. So now after this changes, the passes to fail ratio is 5:1. The passes to fail ratio, yani 4x minus 20 and x minus 10, passes to fail ratio is 5:1. Then the 4x minus 20 is equal to 5x minus 50. 5x minus 50. So 5x minus 4x is x and 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. So what is 30? To find how many students appeared in examination initially. Total number of the student is 5x is appeared for the examination. So total number of the student initially and pass and fail student is 5x. So 5 into 30. Total 150 student initially appeared for the examination. Okay. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio 35 number. 1/2 is to 1/3 is to 1/4 and their perimeter is 91. Then find the length of sides. Okay. Let in triangle ABC the sides of the triangle are in ratio. AB, let AB is to BC is to AC is 1/2 is to 1/3 is to 1/4. So let length of AB equal to 1/2x, length of BC is equal to 1/3x and length of AC is equal to 1/4x. Right? Then the perimeter is equal to sum of all the three sides, yani AB plus BC plus AC. So 1/2x plus 1/3x plus 1/4x is equal to 91. It means x by 2 plus x by 3 plus x by 4 is 91. 12 is LCM. 2 6s are 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So 12 is LCM. 6 4 10 plus 3 13x is equal to 91. So x is 91 into 12 by 13. 13 sevens are 12 sevens are 84. X is 84. So length of side AB is 1 upon 2x, यानी 1 upon 2 into 84, that is 42 centimeter. BC is 1/3 of x, this 1/3 of 84 is 28 centimeter, and AC you can complete the length of the sides of the triangle. Now 36 and last number. પછી proportion આવી જાય છે એટલે proportion પછી કરીશું. 36 number. Very easy. In a school, the boys and girls are in the ratio 9:5. If there are 425 girls, and what is the total number of the student? What is total number of students? Is very easy. Let number of boys are 9x, because boys is to girl is 9:5, and number of girls are 5x. But if there are 425 girls, number of girls are the total number of student, total student 9 5 14x students. Okay, but number of girls is 425 is given, but the total number of girls is 5x is 425. So x is 425 by 8. Oh, sorry, 5 is 40, 5 is x is 85. So total number of the students is 14 into 85. Whatever the answer is, that is the total number of the student in the school. બહુ ઇઝી છે. ચલો આજે થોડો ટાઈમ ઓછો, મતલબ હજી ટાઈમ છે, પણ ન્યૂ કન્સેપ્ટ પ્રપોર્શન. વિલ સી ટુમોરો.